Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you the step-by-step tutorial on how to get video game on Infinite Craft. So by the end of this video, you'll learn how to do them. Without further ado, let's get into it. The first thing that we need to do is to combine earth and wind to create dust, then combine dust and earth to create a planet, then combine the planet with fire to create sun, then combine it with fire to create solar, and combine it with planet to create a system. After that, combine it with fire to create a computer. Now combine computer and system to create a software, and combine software with earth to create game. Now combine fire and wind to create a smoke, and combine it with water to create a frog. Now combine fog and planet to create the Venus, and finally combine Venus plus game to create video game. And that is basically it for this video. Thank you guys for watching Tech Tricks tutorial. I hope you learned something, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day everyone.